In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this card using the lovely lily pad stamp set, dies, and paper. These are all items that you can get for free when you purchase $50. I'm going to start by adhering, isn't this gorgeous paper? So one side has a Monet-like flower and the other side has a brushed canvas look. I think it's really pretty. I stocked up on it. So I'm going to place this down. I've already stamped and cut out all of my elements using the stamp set. So here's the stamp set and here are the dies. So these are reversible. So you can stamp the image, the outline on one side, and then flip it over and then stamp the whole thing to color in the stamp on the other side. So it's a really neat stamp set to play with. I'm also using the Celebration Sending You Thoughts. So I'm going to use this little thanks right there. So I'm going to stamp that using Melon Mambo. Okay. I'm just going to stamp it at the bottom here and trim it off because it's so teeny tiny. Just trim that off. And I'll have all my elements here. Okay, so now I'm going to add these to the card. I'm going to trim this off first. This is a piece that I got from the dies, and I'm going to put some adhesive on the bottom and then attach it to the leaves, and then I'm going to do it again. This is really, really stiff. There we go. And then add it to the lily pad like that. And then I'm going to add this to the lily pad too. This is the stiff one, huh? Wonder what's wrong with it. Wound up too tight. Okay, so lily pad. So now I can put some dimensionals on these. I usually put dimensionals like in the middle, just so I can tuck things underneath if I need to. Put that one right in the middle. And then I'm just going to adhere these to the card. So this one goes right here. And this one goes over to the other side. I'm going to kind of tuck that under right there. And then I'm going to pop up the thanks with a mini dimensional. Just use one of these little guys. It's so nice to have mini dimensionals. They're really useful. And then place that right side up over here. And that's this lovely lily pad card. I hope you've enjoyed watching, and please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can check out all my videos. And to order the products seen in this video, go to my website, eStampin.com, and click on Shop Now. Thanks, bye.